What's up, brother?
Hey, man.
Well, you could have been with my ass last night.
Plans.
You don't make the plans and bail on them.
That's some Chris shit right there.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, that's for noise. Just for the noise. Oh. We're just gonna add like some animations and like if we, the thing that like I have like photos and tech, like have a fucking thing.
Yay.
Can we borrow this for today? For the kick drum? Yeah, for the kick drum.
Yeah, sure, we can use it.
I have like an actual kick drum microphone. Mics for like $190. God damn, Chris.
I'm sorry.
No, nice.
Oh.
Where's it at?
Drop it.
Right here?
I don't want to carry it. Can I toss it up?
Yeah, you really could just chuck it. Oh.
This is okay!
If you want to get the walk in the door and he'll be like this in front of my face.
You want to grab my speaker and my...
Yes. Speaker's right behind you.
What was the event today? Give me an item, Poppy.
Well,
No, not that one. I'll take it.
You can drag it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
Just the heaviest.
Where we're going. Your tent dark as a bitch. I couldn't even see you in there. Spread out.
More of a triangle guy. I just kind of grabbed everything. It's like XLR.
Yo, Drew. Dude. Wait, I love those pants. What the heck? You look so groovy, bro. Thanks, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Oh, what'd you get? Nice.
That's awesome.
Can I get a shrimp basket?
Large or small?
I'll get a, what? How many come with the large?
6 or 12.
I'll do the 6 one. Can we put it on the band tab?
We did it.
Flower power.
Take it.
We found it in the trash, but it was on the top of the trash.
Disclosure, yeah,
No,
same. I'm
you're
saying.
beautiful. Oh, it looks good. Oh, dude, this
pretty.
look is sick. You know what? I'll take a trash flower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good for it. It's good for
I do like the trash flowers.
Take away your liver.
They do say that. It's the last trash.
Oh, out of the trash can?
That's where all of them came from. They're all trash
Yours
flowers.
is fucked up too.
No. If you don't like it, we'll take it off. I promise.
No, it smells awful. It smells like trash can.
No.
Wet now.
Oh, my hands kind of smell like trash can. Now.
Yeah.
I think.
How you see the world.
I see a decaying dumpster flower.
Don't. It's a band name.
Bad decaying dumpster flower.
Yo, you going to see DDF tonight?
We're trying to be your supporter. Nice. All you can be.
Damn, you said 6 too, right? I give her 12.
That's a lot of shrimps. I'm so full. That buffalo shrimp. I'll see if I'm done with this guy.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's amoral.
Are they sperm
So
whales?
why you do that?
Oh, that means not moral. I will survive it, right? Yeah.
I was like, we both turned around. I was like,
Yeah, I saw you guys, and then I was like, yes.
And then you played that song?
Yeah. That's so cool, man. That's so sick. Rashawn.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. I'm Chris. So, yeah, it's nice to meet you too, man. No, you're fine. Hey, how you doing? Let's go. Get back up there and work, damn it.
get it right now.
What you got there? And then, oh, the bass drum, go right there.
Walked away.
Way under me.
Only always.
Thanks, bro.
That's so funny.
it's the
I'll shoot it to you.